Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best motorcycle tire inflator portable 12 volts on the market. The WARWOLF 160 PSI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This isn't just another air pump, it's a fully featured, smart inflator designed for car tires, motorcycles, bikes, and more. Let's get into why this might just be your new roadside best friend. First, let's talk about design and usability. The WARWOLF inflator is compact, sleek, and incredibly practical. Measuring just 6.4 inches long and weighing around 1.29 pounds, it fits easily into a glove box or saddlebag. Despite its small size, it's built with a high-quality digital display that shows real-time pressure readings and allows you to choose between PSI, kPa, bar, and kg, cm units. This means no more second-guessing if your tires are at the right pressure. Whether you're prepping your motorcycle for a weekend ride or topping off your bike tires, this inflator gives you precision every time. One of the standout features is the preset mode functionality. You can choose from built-in settings for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and balls, plus a custom mode if you prefer to set your own pressure target. With a simple button press, it auto-inflates and shuts off once the desired pressure is reached. That's right. No babysitting the pump, no worrying about overinflating. Just set it and go. Now let's talk power. This isn't your average low-output inflator. Thanks to its upgraded copper motor and dual-cylinder design, the WARWOLF can handle up to 160 psi and inflate most standard tires in just a few minutes. The built-in rechargeable battery means you're free from tangled cords during regular use. But they've also smartly included a 12 volts DC car adapter with an 11-foot cord in case your battery runs low on the go. That's versatility you'll appreciate in real-world situations. Speaking of real-world use, this inflator doubles as a power bank and emergency flashlight. It has 3 lighting modes: steady, strobe, and SOS, making it perfect for roadside emergencies or camping trips. And yes, the USB-A to USB-C charging cable is included, so you're good to go straight out of the box. What really makes this a daily essential, especially for motorcycle and car owners, is how easy it is to use. Just connect the air hose, use the plus and minus buttons to set your pressure, and press the start button. It's designed to be intuitive, even for those who've never used an air compressor before. It also comes with a full set of accessories, including adapters for Schrader and Presta valves, a needle for sports balls, and one for swim rings. Whether you're topping off your motorcycle tires before a road trip or inflating a soccer ball at the park, this inflator has you covered. A quick word of caution: while it's excellent for tires and small inflatables, it's not made for large volume items like air mattresses, paddleboards, or heavy-duty truck tires. But for everyday use, especially for motorcyclists, car owners, and cyclists, it's incredibly efficient and reliable. To wrap it up, the WARWOLF 160 PSI Portable Tire Inflator is more than just an air pump. It's your all-in-one, compact roadside assistant. With smart features, strong performance, and multi-use functionality, it's a tool you'll be glad to have whether you're commuting to work or heading off on a weekend adventure. If you're serious about keeping your tires in top condition and want a portable, easy-to-use device that you can rely on, this is the one. Check the link in the description if you want to learn more or pick one up for yourself. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. See you in the next one.